Pakiramdam mo ngayon, kulang ka sa effort. Gusto mo i-love bomb, padala ng mga sulat, mahahabang text, tawagan, ibigayan kung ano-ano. But always remember this, no matter what effort ang ilalagay mo dyan, it will not make the relationship work. Kailangan dalawang tao dyan. Gusto ka pa ba niya? Gusto niya pa ba ayusin? Additional effort will not make the relationship stronger. Pag ayaw rin ng kabilang party, it takes two to tango. Kung ako sa'yo, you assess yourself, you increase your value, you improve yourself, you move on and be better. Walang lugi sa naka-move on. Always remember this. Sustain and maintain your self-respect. Hindi ka pinanganak para kawawain ikaw.